Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Make Opera default browser. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Opera the default browser. So to make your Opera the default browser, so there's three ways to do it. So the first way is when you download the Opera, you will see this. Would you like to make your Opera everyday browser? Just click right here. Yes, that is a default browser. There you go. Now it is now a default browser. Another way to do that is by clicking on settings right here, top right. Then after that, click on go to full browser settings. Then once you are here, type in default. There we go. Then scroll and find, there you go. Opera is your default browser. You see right here. But if it's not yet your default browser, you can change it to your default browser. So we're just gonna go here. I'm gonna make a Chrome default browser. There you go. Go back here. Type in default. And as you can see, my search engine, where you go? Browser. As you can see, operates your default browser. I think it's still lagging, so you just need to fix that. Then click here. Then go to settings again. And just type default. Just type default, and you will see. Right, just go down, and you will see. There you go. This will appear. Make default. There you go. Make default. Just click on make default, and your Opera browser will become default. There you go. Then click. After that, it is now the default browser. And the last way to do it, the third way to do it, is just go here, then type default, and this will appear. So let's say it is on Google Chrome. Click on that. After clicking on that, find the Opera browser, then click on it. Then there you go. It is now the default browser. And a quick tip for you guys, not only you can go to settings right here and click make it your default browser, and you can also go to settings on your top left corner on the icon right here. As you see, that can also be clicked. After clicking that, going down, click on settings right here, and there you go. You'll be directed to the same settings as you will do on the top right corner. There you go. So there. Then now you can type default, and currently our Opera is on the default, so it shows this. So yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. And to remove your Opera from your default browser, another quick tip, just go to settings. There you go, default. Then Opera, then change which browser you want. So there. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, type it on the comment section below and we'll be happy to answer you. Thank you. If you liked the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.